Hi guys, we are on the middle floor of Killoskehane Castle. Oh Jesus! And I do want to show you our progress to the French suite. Now the French suite is actually to the back of the building overlooking the formal gardens and used to be made out of 2 bedrooms that were interconnected. I'm going to bring you now what I would call bedroom number 1 on the plans. So bedroom number 1 is still a bedroom. If you come in here, you actually will notice our chandelier and dome, which we showed you guys already in a different video. The link is actually below if you want to follow it. Now, other things that we did in this room is to lower the ceiling to hide the pipes that we had to put into the ceiling for the heating system. We obviously changed the color from yellow over to this dusty pink, added the molding in, and we decided to have one big panel of molding to kind of draw your eyes up. We added a lot of plasterwork to really bring in this French chateau vibe for this particular bedroom. We added a lot of these little birds all over the place. For example, hidden around here next to the fireplace and just over the door. And you just have to look around where we're hiding them at the moment. Another area that I really want to show you is just this area. I'm just very excited about this. Used to be the wardrobe, still is the wardrobe, but I wanted to hide the door that was here. And so we basically seamlessly built this in so it's nearly invisible. And if you open it, we just today finished putting some wallpaper in there, which is an old map of Paris. Just another nod of the Frenchness of this room. We also added to the sconces that we bought at the auction here. They actually will look really nice in here once they are properly done. We're trying to change, I'm not sure what this is called, this kind of plasticky bit up here. So we ordered some that are real wax and some nicer bulbs as well. And I think this will bring everything together. Now follow me what was the interconnecting door into bedroom number 2. So we widened this a little bit and put glass doors in to have more light flowing back and forward to these rooms. When we're coming into this, we are now into a room that is or will be the sitting area. What we did in bedroom number 2 is we built this wall to cut this room into 2. Sitting area here, we rounded the ceilings up to make it a little bit more cozy. We added actually a mock fireplace. So this was a fireplace that Tommy had lying around somewhere for the last 10 years or so. It was cleaned up, added in here. Obviously, it's not a working fireplace, but just a focal point for the room. But what I really want to show you are the floors. Now, these floors are actually made specifically for this room. They're all flowers, which kind of like continue the theme that we have in this room. And they're going all the way through into the bedroom as well. Behind me here, very hard to see, is where the door used to be into the what we now call the Irish bathroom. So bedroom number 2 had a connection into a shared bathroom. We closed this off because we did create an ensuite here. We don't need this anymore. But because all the pipes are just behind this wall, we decided to make this a wet bar. So there will be a built-in here as soon as the heating system will be installed. We're going to hide this whole thing. It looks like a built-in. If you open the doors, you will have a wet bar in there and really can enjoy this place. Now, when you follow me into basically what is the center of the building, we don't know what to do with this. It's a little bit of a quirky area here, and so we're not sure what we're going to do with this. Maybe you tell us what we could do, maybe a little bit of makeup area, a seating area, reading nook. We're not 100% sure, but it's kind of cute to have this here. Now let's actually walk back through the bedroom into the ensuite. So the second half of what would be bedroom number 2. What we did here is we basically played around with marble, because this room has a marble fireplace. So we wanted to play with this. So this was the inspiration for everything. We started on the floors to put marble-like tiles down in 3 different colors. So you've got the typical marble color, then we got some darker colors as well. We put them at an angle to make this room a little bit bigger. We also had a lot of fun with this room when it came to the walls. This is a wallpaper specifically made for a bathroom. So this is a waterproof wallpaper. It's actually an old painting that was blown up, an old French painting that was blown up, which is a park scene. and it's seamless going across the room. So this is one continuous basically painting. We also decided that we're going to put in some wall paneling. And when you look at the shapes that are in here, this shape is actually the shape that we have in the fireplace. So you see this following here. We try to basically emulate this and follow this shape as well, including on the other side of the door. So we basically put this everywhere. What I'm really excited about, and I cannot show you today, will be the bathtub. The bathtub will be sitting here directly opposite the fireplace. But it will be, I think it takes another week or so before it's finished, and you will see why I'm so excited about it, because it is special. Now this concludes the overview of where we are today. I know it's messy, it looks like there's so much work to do, but believe you me, we are nearly there. So next time I'm going to show you this, it will be totally finished. You will see the bed in there, some furniture, the bathtub will be in there, and this room is ready to go. I'm very excited about this. Thank you for watching.
Here's how we created the layout to the French suite. The French suite is located on the middle floor of the castle and used to be two interconnected bedrooms overlooking the fountain. If we zoom in a little bit, you see bedroom number 1 used to share a bathroom across the hall, and bedroom number 2 shared a bathroom with what we call the Irish bedroom to the right. The first things we did is to eliminate the exterior entrances into bedroom number 2. Then we removed all of the interior doors in bedroom 2 and widened the entrance from bedroom 1 into bedroom 2. Then we added a stud wall and an entrance, and thus creating a bedroom area, an ensuite bathroom and a living area. We were able to build the ensuite bathroom because the pipes already existed in the Irish bathroom to the right.